First, I picked a photo and added smooth creative stickers to make it stand out. Then I brought the design to life using motion effect. I carefully adjusted the count, opacity, and rotation setting to create a smooth and dynamic animation. After that, I used the eraser tool to remove unwanted parts of the stickers and blend everything perfectly with the image. The final result is a clean, eye-catching edit with professional motion effects that grab the attention instantly. Follow for more amazing photo editing tutorials and creative editing ideas.